The pyramids of Egypt have captivated humanity for millennia. These colossal structures, standing as testaments to the ingenuity of a bygone era, have long been shrouded in mystery. Of all the pyramids, the Great Pyramid of Giza stands as the most iconic, a symbol of ancient Egyptian civilization and a source of enduring fascination. How did a civilization lacking modern technology construct such monumental structures? The answer lies in a combination of sophisticated engineering techniques, readily available resources, and the organized labor of a dedicated workforce. The construction of the pyramids was a monumental undertaking, a testament to the ancient Egyptians' understanding of mathematics, astronomy, and engineering. The pyramids were not merely tombs, they were grand expressions of royal power, religious belief, and architectural prowess. These magnificent structures continue to inspire awe and wonder, prompting us to delve deeper into the minds of the brilliant individuals who designed and built them. The ancient Egyptians chose materials for their pyramids with both practicality and symbolism in mind. The core material for the pyramids was limestone, a readily available resource quarried from nearby sites. Limestone, while heavy, was relatively easy to shape and transport, making it an ideal building material for such a massive project. For certain features like the lining of inner chambers and the construction of some pyramids, the ancient Egyptians employed granite. Granite, a much harder stone, had to be quarried from distant locations like Aswan and transported via the Nile River. This choice of material not only showcased the Egyptians' logistical capabilities, but also added to the aesthetic and symbolic value of the pyramids. Granite, with its durability and association with the sun god Ra, signified permanence and divine power. The construction of the pyramids, particularly the Great Pyramid of Giza, would have been impossible without ingenious engineering solutions and a range of tools. The ancient Egyptians used copper tools along with stone and wooden implements for quarrying, shaping, and transporting the massive limestone blocks. They developed ramps, levers, and rollers to move and lift these immense stones, demonstrating an impressive understanding of basic physics principles. One of the enduring mysteries surrounding the pyramids is the precise cutting and fitting of the massive stone blocks. The Egyptians achieved remarkable precision, with gaps between the blocks often measuring less than a few millimeters. This level of accuracy suggests the use of sophisticated measuring tools and techniques, perhaps involving plumb lines, levels, and a system of grids to ensure alignment. The construction of the pyramids stands as a testament to the ancient Egyptians' advanced understanding of geometry, mathematics, and astronomy, knowledge they used to create structures aligned with the cardinal points and celestial bodies. Contrary to popular belief, the pyramids were not built by slaves. Evidence suggests that the workforce comprised skilled artisans, laborers, and craftsmen who were paid for their labor. These individuals worked in organized teams, each specializing in a particular aspect of the construction process. This division of labor, coupled with effective management and logistics, was crucial to the successful completion of these monumental projects. The construction of the pyramids was not without its challenges. The sheer scale of the projects, the logistical complexities of transporting materials, and the coordination of a large workforce presented significant hurdles. However, the ancient Egyptians, through their ingenuity, organization, and unwavering determination, overcame these challenges to create some of the most iconic and enduring structures in human history. The pyramids stand as a testament to the power of collective human endeavor, showcasing what can be achieved when a civilization pools its resources, skills, and vision.